Hey everyone, Joe back with Grill Joe's Barbecue. And today, we got two cooks going on. And let me introduce you to the star of my show, Bologna. We're gonna cut this bad boy up, and I'm gonna get two cooks out of it. If you're watching this about mid-September, it'll be for the last chance cook-off. We'll be making an awesome bologna bacon sandwich outside on the smoker. And the other part I'm gonna do is some bologna burn-ins. So we're gonna get right to this. It's gonna be an easy cook. I already got the smoker up and running, so let's get into cutting. Let's check it out. All right, I want half burn-ins, half sandwich. So we're just gonna right down the middle. So this one's gonna be my sandwich. All right, so for this bologna sandwich, I'm gonna be prepping it inside. I'm gonna be heading outside to cook it, of course. This is for the last chance cook-off. Make sure you visit that hashtag to see everyone else's videos. There is literally hundreds of videos with this hashtag, so make sure you watch them all. I'm gonna slice this one up kind of more traditional, how people would see when they see those fancy looking bolognas online. And we'll see how good it turns out. You need a sharp knife. I'm gonna hash it this way, flip it over, then hash it this way. And we'll see how she turns out. Hey everyone, Joe here. Just wanted to take a second and give a huge shout out to the host of the Last Chance Cook-Off. Without these people, this wouldn't have been possible and none of these videos would have came about. So we have Dale and Lisa from 9 Acre Family Farms, Mitchell from Hendrickson Family Farm, and Tony from Kettle Kitchen. So I'll link all their channels below. Make sure you go and like their videos, go watch all the videos from the collaboration. And as always, if you like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, everyone. And all you're doing by that is giving more room for that seasoning to get in there, and it'll pull apart looking awesome. So there's some bigger gaps here. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more slices in this way. It's really hard to see right now, but hopefully it'll pull apart real nicely when we get it on the smoker. So for this one, I'm gonna be using Uncle Steve's Competition Bird Shake. This stuff, awesome. I know it's bird shake and we're using it on bologna, but it's great. Uncle Steve's donated some of his reps for the Last Chance Cook-Off as a prize, so make sure you go check out his stuff. Really good. All right, now that's ready for the smoker. Still got a long time to go though. All right, I got all the bologna on the smoker. And for the Last Chance Cook-Off, everything has to be cooked outside. I am doing a little prep inside because I don't have any outside prep area. So if that's against the rules, I am sorry. But we're gonna get a little prep done. I'm gonna do mine with some bacon, lettuce, tomatoes, and I'm gonna fry it up at my little cast iron, and I'm gonna try to use my smoker to do it. So I guess you could say my sandwich is more of a BBLT, bologna, bacon, lettuce, tomato. I'm using some beautiful thick cut bread. This is Sara Lee Artisan. Looks amazing. It's gonna be great for soaking up all that meat and flavor. So with this thick bread, I'm gonna put some mayo on it to sear up in the cast iron. I watched this guy's channel named Johnny. I'll link him below. He does a lot of griddle cooking, and I actually saw him make a bologna sandwich, and he used the mayo as instead of butter to crisp up his bread, and it turned out awesome. So I'm giving that a shot today. And I'm gonna cook up some of this Black Label thick cut bacon in this pan first. Bacon's great and all, but I wonder if we could make a tiny bacon weave to cook up and put on this sandwich. So we're gonna fry this up in the cast iron, just like that. About sandwich size. And the bologna's only gonna take about an hour to cook, so we'll go out and check on it here shortly. Alright guys, it's been about an hour and a half. This guy, he's looking about done too. So in honor of the last chance cook-off and everything being done outside, I bring you my mobile setup. I'm gonna set it down here on a TV tray so I can work outside. You're probably wondering how I'm gonna fry this bacon up in this pan. Well, the Gallery Backyard Barbecue and Griddle did a video where he cooked a steak on the top of his Masterbuilt. So I'm gonna just try this. A lot of heat comes off from that, so I'm just gonna put this right there. We'll see what happens. Who knows? Everything's already pretty much done cooking in there, so I'm not really worried about this, but I mean, I feel there's a lot of heat coming off there, so I think that's gonna cook pretty fast. Look at that. That is beautiful. That looks amazing. Smells amazing. I already hear that bacon cooking. It's sizzling. Like I said, we're gonna make this into a sandwich, and I want a pretty good slice on mine. And just look at that. As you can hear, that bacon is already cooking in there. Like I said, I'm going to use mayo to fry this bread up. I gotta try a little bit of it. So much good smoky flavor. The seasoning adds a ton. Oh, holy cow, that's delicious. As you can see, this thing is piping hot. Might be too hot. Call that good on the bacon. I'm gonna drop in my bread. This is not gonna take long. This thing is super hot. Cooking it in some of that bacon grease. Honestly, too hot. It didn't work too well for this. Cooked the bacon fine. I'm sure it will fry up these guys just fine, but might have to fry up those inside. We are gonna fry up these guys in here, and then I'm gonna take it inside to finish the bread off. There's a little piece for me. Alright guys, I'm cheating a little. I came inside. What can I say? I don't have a really good setup outside for doing this sort of thing. But I cooked most of it outside. And what we're going to do now is assemble this big old sandwich. Bologna, bacon, some lettuce, a couple tomatoes, some mayonnaise. That is a bologna, bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwich. And would you just look at that honker? Alright guys, we'll at least finish the video outside. You see it's raining. Pretty nice day out here. But look at this. I might have went a little thick on those bacon or that bologna slice, but whew, that looks good. Wow. That tastes amazing. I've never really been a huge bologna fan. But when you smoke it, when you put it on a sandwich with everything else, I could eat this every day. That is just amazing. You guys gotta try this. I got a lot more sandwich to eat, but make sure you check out all the videos in the Last Chance Cook-Off hashtag. So just click that and it'll take you up to all the videos. There's gonna be hundreds all month, so just watch them all. I got the rest of my bologna on the smoke before the burn-ins I'm doing. So if you want to see how those turned out, make sure you watch this video and see how those burn-ins turned out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.